So 50. What was the answer that you got, Glenda?
0.743.
Perfect.
And for number 4, it's going to be the same. And the answer is 0.712.
Yes, it's using the same thing. 0.712. Perfect.
Wait, because I get 0.32.
Okay. Okay, because you're supposed to, because is the proportion of females who can taste. So you need to use the yes answer. So it's the 52, not the. I think you're using 18 divided by 70.
Yeah.
You need to use 52 divided by 70.
52 divided by
70.
You're gonna get 0.743.
3.05. Oh, okay, 70. I'm sorry.
70.
Yeah, I see that's 0.74.
Perfect.
That's the first one, right?
We got to go 3 decimal places, so 743. So do the same thing for question 4, but do 42 divided by 59.
0.711.
Yes.
Well, actually, you have to round it. So.
Yeah, you have to round it.
0.712.
Okay. Got it. Thanks.
And then the hypothesis, number 5.
I think it's the A. P can be.
You are correct. It is going to be A.
Yeah. P equals P2, and P is different to P2. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. All right. So this is the part that's always hard for me to do.
Yeah, me too. So maybe if we use the software, it will be easier.
Okay.
So
yeah, I agree.
X1 is going to be 52, right?
Let me see. What is the point estimate for this? Okay, no, it's not. We have to figure out the point estimate, and we have to use a 95% confidence interval.
Because we just divided the X1 over the N1, and we got the answer for number 3.
Yeah, well, that gives the p hat.
Okay, but here in the software, it says X1, N1, X2, and 2. So if we fill that up, we will get, I think, more.
Okay, where do you get to the software at? Because that's what I'm having trouble finding.
Okay, I'm gonna send you the link.
Oh, perfect.
So you can download it.
Perfect. Thank you.
Because I just love you. And you don't.
Even though I'm charging you $1 for the answers, huh?
Right. Okay, so you have to download the one that it says categorical data analysis.
Okay.
CAT.
Just waiting for it to catch up with me. Okay, that's what I needed. All right, category data analysis.
Yep. So if you fill that up where it says input, you put 52, 70, 42, and 59, and confidence level 0.95. I think we will get p hat 2, and we will get the standard deviation of confidence interval and everything. So, what is the confidence interval? It should be.
Mine is still trying to open up. There it is.
Okay.
It's still trying to open up. There we go. Okay, so X1, what did you put in there, Glenda?
In X1, I put 52.
Okay, and N1 was what?
70.
70, okay, and then X2?
42.
And N2?
59. But I'm not sure if this type of test says P1
Right.
less than P2. So we change it to equal? Or
yes, that's right.
I don't know.
Well,
Because
no,
we
it
get
doesn't
the
give us the
p-hat.
choice. It doesn't give us choice for equal.
It says no.
So
Well,
I
because if
put
we
it that
change-
it's not equal to it.
Let me see.
Hey, Travis.
Not equal.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear. We can hear you.
Hello.
Awesome, thank you. All right.
Had technical difficulties. Okay, so we've just made it up to question 6 is all we're up to.
Okay.
All right. So obviously you know A and B, 1 and 2. Those are easy ones.
Yeah.
All right. So 3 is 0.743, and you get that by dividing the 52 by the 70.
Mhm.
4 is 0.712.
Yeah. Okay.
And then 5 is A.
Where's the point estimate? Okay.
And then you're caught up with us.
Awesome. Okay, thank you.
Not a problem. We don't try. We try not to leave anybody behind on these.
Yeah.
That me.
So,
Yeah.
You're so mean.
what
We
on
love you,
X1?
Glenda.
Sure.
Okay, so so on question 6,
What
what
did you
is
put X1?
what's that?
What?
What did you put in X1?
Oh, in
In
X1.
we put 52.
Mm-hmm.
N1?
70.
70.
Mm-hmm.
70. Okay. Other is 42?
Yep, and 59.
59. Okay.
Let's see.
And we need to put that not equal, right?
Not equal.
Yeah, not equal.
Okay.
Only the p-value will change.
Right. So what is the point estimate for a 95% confidence level?
So I think it's 0.078.
Well, that's the standard deviation.
But it's the standard deviation of the confidence interval.
Yeah, but that's not what it's asking for.
So what is it asking for? Let me see.
Let's see.
Create a 95% confidence interval for P1 minus P2. Only we your point estimate lower bound and upper bound. So what is the point estimate?
Okay, I think is the Z-score.
No, we
So-
need to.
So the point estimate.
Yeah, on point 3 or step 3 about the managing fox population.
Where are you reading
Uh,
that at? On step 3?
Yeah, on the thing that starts talking about the fox.
Sorry.
Talking about the
There's
what? I'm sorry.
the fox population. You know
Okay.
the animal? Yes. There's a green square that says, remember, for a 95% confidence interval, C
Mhm.
equals 1.96. If you need to review how to find value of C for other confidence level, see page blah blah blah.
Okay. So, well, that's the confidence interval. Is that what it's asking for?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
you're correct. Okay, so it is that 1.96. But we have to go to three decimal places.
So it's gonna be
1.9.
What was that?
No, nothing. Just still doing math in my head.
Okay.
Sorry.
it's fine.
That's not allowed in this group.
So what is the answer?
That's what we're trying to figure out right now.
Okay.
I think we need to use that Z-score in the spreadsheet.
Or maybe we should use.
And do these calculations in below that green square.
Okay, we should use 0.394 as a Z-score, and we can just put it on the applet.
Yeah, okay, right, because we need the lower and the upper bound.
Well,
Mhm.
actually, we already have the upper and lower. When it says
Yeah.
confidence interval for P minus P2, we have those answers already. But I think to get the 95%, we should use the applet.
Yeah,
Let me see. Score.
but that comes to 1.645 for 95%. No, that's wrong. That's just giving the Z-score.
394. 394. Point.
Evidence. There's nothing even. Usually there's something in the videos, but I can't even find anything.
Yeah.
Gosh.
Okay, in chapter 10 of the book, it has the formula for the Z-score, or for the but we want the point confidence level.
What is the margin of error? 10.
I know what we're supposed to do. Good grief, Mike. Pay attention. That point confidence level, you
Mhm.
take the upper minus the lower and divide it in
Right.
half.
Okay, let me check.
All right.
So
So
it's
it
going to
would
be negative 0.2123 minus,
No, you take the 0.185
oh, okay. Right,
and then
right,
you're
right.
going to minus the negative
1.123.
0.123.
But minus, isn't it
Well, what
subtraction?
you do is the way you do it is you put the 0.185 minus and then do a parenthesis minus 0.123, close the
Mhm.
parenthesis.
Divided by 2.
No. Yes. Then you divide that by 2. You get 0.154.
That's what I got.
That's what that is. That's no.
Or I think we should.
Well, that's
We
that's
shouldn't.
the answer to question 7. 0.154 is the answer to question 7.
I think it's just P1 hat minus P1, P2 hat. It's just like that. So it's
Is
going to
it?
be, I think so. We're overthinking again.
I agree. Travis, you're gonna understand this group. We overthink things.
It's all right.
We always do.
We overthink things.
Yeah. So point
So
185.
0.031 then?
Oh, wait. Minus 0.1. It's 0.308. That's what I got.
That's the point confidence level?
I guess.
Or the confidence interval?
Yeah, the 95 confidence interval, I think.
We can try, and then if something was wrong, see it.
Right. Mm.
Okay, I'm looking at the formula for the confidence level. Interval.
Do we have to use the 1.90 or something for 95%? Oh, let me see. I think the formula wasn't it something with the z-score times.
Yeah. I'm looking at it's in chapter 10.
Okay.
4.1.3 gives the formula.
Okie dokie. I need some chocolates. Yeah, honestly. And a Coke.
Yep, me too.
But you know what? I already give up on Coke. So
Quitter.
yes, I am.
Okay, so what's confusing now is getting that for since we have two things because what it has there is it's for one sample, but we're dealing with two samples.
Maybe we should do it separately and then just subtract.
Let me take a look here. Confidence level, P hat 1, P hat 2.
Where's the margin up there?
Guys,
Yeah.
I think we have been misreading. Here it says create a 95% confidence interval for P1 minus P2, not P hat 1 minus P hat 2. So maybe that's what we're doing wrong.
All right.
So P1 is going to be the population, right? So the total population.
Mm-hmm.
And the P hat 1 is going to be only the ones who got PTC. So I'm wondering if we should use the total of females and the total of males.
Yep, you are correct. So it's going to be the 70 minus 59 on there, which is 11.
11. So that's going to be our answer?
No. So if we go back to lesson 10 on there, let me take a look here. That's not making sense.
P1 be the proportion of females in population.
Confidence level.
Oh my gosh.
Can we just move on and maybe we should come back later on this one?
Do we want to come back later on it?
Not really, but we have to.
That's funny, Glenda. Not really, but.
Right.
Honesty, there you go. Way to go. All right, so let me take a look here.
P hat is the point estimate.
Right. What is the point estimate from the 90? P1 minus P2 per transfer. All right. My head already hurts on this.
Mine too.
All right.
Wait, isn't a point estimate just? Let's see. The point estimate is. I remember last chapter it was like a certain chunk divided by the whole population.
I think you're right. I think you're on the right track there.
Yeah, so it'd be P1 minus P2. So we add them together, then divide them whole, or I don't know.
Well, I'm looking at the last chapter right now, so
Hmm.
that's where I'm going to right now. And it's dealing with P hat. There's the margin of error.
I wonder if this is it. P. Here, where's? Let's see. I want to show my screen. Is there a way to show my screen?
Yeah, if you over on
It's on the
the left side,
Mhm.
the green box, the
There's
green
a
box
screen
with the
share.
arrow in it, that screen
Okay.
share.
So I think I want to see. Let's see.
All right, yeah,
Whoa! Get out of that! Get out of that! Okay, see this?
yeah.
So I wonder if it's x minus and then
And 1.
because it says
Oh, okay.
p1 minus
Wow.
p2. So I wonder if it'd be n1 minus n2. I don't know if that helps.
Let me check that out. That kind of makes sense. Let me see. So x1.
Oh, yeah, excellent. So, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Is
So
that right? To be.
I think that is right. So we're dealing. So then it would be
52 plus 42
but
divided by.
But we want to go minus. You want to go minus there, Glenda?
yes, it's p1 minus.
All right, so it'd be
okay.
10 divided by 11 is what it comes out to be.
It's pretty
10
much.
divided by 11.
Uh-huh.
What's that? 10 divided by 11.
That comes
So
to
it's going to be 0.909.
0.909.
Yeah.
Oh my! Get out of here! I'm so sorry. I can't get out.
No, all you do now is you just hit stop sharing. If you hit stop sharing, and then it'll go back.
Oh, there it is at the bottom.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay.
Now you using that, are you?
Good now. All right, we're good now.
All right. So let's go with 0.909. And then, so then.
So I think the margin of error now is that, like you said earlier, is that lower minus the upper divided by 2.
Yeah. 0.154.
Is it 3 decimals though?
Yeah. Okay, wait. I'm
so
confused now. Yes, you have to wait for me.
I'm just being ornery tonight, Glenda. You'll just have to get used to it.
I am so used to it. Okay, so so for number 6 we have 0.909.
0.909.
Okay.
And then number 7 is 0.154.
Yeah, because we have that on the Excel, right?
Yeah. Well, no. What you do is you take the upper minus the lower, and then divide it by 2.
Okay.
That's how you get the 0.154.
Okay.
Number 8 is right there on the spreadsheet.
Yeah, it's negative 0.123, right?
Right.
And 9 is gonna be
0.185.
0.185.
Uh-huh.
How are you getting negative 1, 2, 3?
On the
Excel.
spreadsheet, on the Excel spreadsheet,
Mm-hmm.
Do you have that Excel spreadsheet?
Yeah, for the lower.
Yeah. And so the 0.123, it's just right there on the if you change the test type to P1 is not equal to P2,
Yeah.
and it changes the confidence level so that right there at the bottom it's 0.123 and 0.1885.
Well, I'm not getting
I'm
that.
sharing my screen.
Do you want me
Are
to share
this-
my screen with you?
Let's see. Because I'm seeing here. Let me see. Let me show you guys one now. Because I have negative 0.213, and then 0.072.
Okay, so you might have put the wrong numbers in.
It was 52
Yeah,
out of 70.
One is 52.
Okay, Abraham is sharing his screen, so.
Yeah, so 52 out of 70. Let's see. Oh, 42 out of 40. That's what it was. Okay.
Mhm.
Nope,
Yeah.
got it.
It's all good.
Got it. That makes a lot more sense.
All right. Moving on. We're on to number 10. Woo-hoo! So with that confidence, Travis, do you understand the confidence levels?
Yeah. I'm not too sure because there's not really like a p-value like in here, so it's kind of hard to.
Yeah. Well, see, because that's dealing on the p-value. Because I have the hardest time trying to understand that.
So what do you mean?
Well, how do I know if I'm going to reject or fail to reject based on that?
Yeah. So with
almost
the
confused.
p-value, so let's see. So what's our confidence in it? It's 95% or no? So it's 5% significance, right?
Right.
Yeah.
See, and what's the p-value?
P-value is
What's p-value?
0.693.
So because the p-value is bigger, we fail to reject the null. It's when the p-value is bigger that we don't reject it. It's when the p-value is smaller that we reject it.
All right, so we're fail to reject the null.
So fail to reject, yeah.
So it's gonna be
okay.
The null, yeah. So the first one.
It'll be A. Okay.
Oh wait, the A, yeah, the third C. Yeah.
Would
Is
be D or A?
Reject D.
I don't remember now. O or A.
The other is
It'll
fail
be
to
A.
reject hypothesis.
It's the first one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Travis, I have a question.
Hmm?
Where are you from? You have a different accent.
Where am I from?
Yeah.
From Washington State.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a different accent.
So we're spread
so?
across the globe. This group is spread across the globe.
True that.
All right.
Okay. Number 11. Which of the following statements best describe the outcome of this study?
Okay, so
if
since
we
we're
have to
failing,
reject, it has to be insufficient, right?
Yeah. There's insufficient evidence.
But I'm not
Let's see what
sure if it's A or D.
is the proportion of the females who taste different. Let's see. Yeah, so D.
yeah, D, because it's
D.
just saying it's different.
Yeah.
Yeah, D.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, these are the worst.
Yeah.
Next.
So did your group just end up not showing up to any of your group meetings?
Yeah,
Travis?
it just dissolved. At first there was 3 of us, and then we're down to 2 of us, and then we're down to 0.
Oh.
And then one of the guys ended up like going to a different group, and I was never able to get hold of the other guy, and so I talked to Brother Greenlaw, and I was like, "What do I do?"
Right.
How frustrating.
Yeah, so I've been doing like all this by myself. So.
Oh well, we've been meeting every week, twice a week, the whole semester.
Wow.
Well, actually, some days we only met once.
We only did one, but we're not doing that tonight.
And we missed, yeah. And we miss each other, so that's why we are usually doing two.
Then
Yeah.
All right. So let's do number 12 here.
Okay.
The patients who had heart attacks. Oh, another mortality one. Ugh.
What's the proportion of patients? What? Oh, it already has the X highlighted.
What's that?
I was trying to decipher like which one would be
Oh,
X,
okay.
but it's already on there. So
Yeah. Okay. So first off, we needed to see if there's enough for the hypothesis test, and there's a formula in the reading for that.
Mhm.
isn't it within the Excel sheet? Is that middle part? Check
I think you're.
requirements.
Yeah, it's there already.
Yeah, check
So why do we
requirements.
need to? Right.
Mhm.
So group
Okay.
1
Come on.
is 17. Oh, 16, 713. And 1.
what is this about? About people who survived the semester?
Yeah.
Okay, so it meets it.
Yes, it does. So the next 13 is B.
By less.
13 B.
Is it D or B?
Well, according to the reading, so what are we trying to find here?
Is the proportion of patients heart attack? So it's weekday. Let's see.
Is less.
Less than weekend.
Okay, so yeah, it is going to be.
So P2 would be greater, right?
Yes, so it would be D.
D.
So the one above was false, right?
No, the one above is true.
So 141.
.141 is the next answer.
Okay.
0.145 is the next answer. I'm just getting that right off the spreadsheet.
Okay.
Wouldn't we use the Z-score that's right there on the spreadsheet?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah.
I got negative 2.02.
Okay.
Oh, wait a minute. I need to change to less than that there. Okay.
But I think the Z-score doesn't change, does it?
No, the Z-score didn't change. But my concern is it says around to 3 decimals, so I just put a 0 there.
I thought it was
Yeah.
negative 1.544.
Where did you get the negative 1.544?
The Z-score on the Excel next to the p-value.
I got a negative 2.02.
Yeah, me too.
Oh my gosh, what am I doing wrong? Let's see.
Okay, what do you have in there? What do you have as your inputs?
So I have the 16713, the 118519, and then 6115, and then
No, 6155.
6155.
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh.
that will throw you off. And then you should get
There we go.
Negative 2.02.
Negative 2.02.
Right. You must be tired. As this came from last question, you should shade the left or the right side of the p-value. So
What's
we
the
wanted
p-value?
it to be
0.978?
less. What was that, Abraham?
The p-value is 0.022.
Negative 2.02.
That's a z-score.
Yeah, the z-score.
Yeah, I got the z-score, but the p-value is 0.022, right?
Yes.
I think we should shade the left.
Yeah, it's in that yellow
Yes.
box.
Yes.
Choose the left. 3 more questions to go, guys. We can do it.
Glenda works 2 jobs.
Oh, wow.
I have a full time at school and I have my own school, so I work a lot.
Yeah, wow.
All right. So in this situation, thinking about how you just explained it, on this one, we're going to reject the null hypothesis then?
Because plus than that, yeah. Reject the
But
null.
wait, 18 is 0.022.
Yes. And so that's less than the 0.05 confidence level. And since we're looking
So
for it to be less, then it's going to be rejected. If we were looking at it to be greater, then we would fail to
It
reject.
has to be greater.
Am I reading that right then?
Yeah, because we want to prove the null hypothesis wrong.
Okay, so we're going to reject the null hypothesis then.
So now, here's
20.
So we see. Okay, submit.
Okay. Oh.
Let's see what happens.
What did you put for for number 20?
C.
C.
Yeah, that's what I was just leaning towards. Okay.
Hopefully.
Are you kidding me? Which one? Oh, well, I meant 7. What was 7 again? Sorry. I thought it,
7?
yeah, I thought I had it. It's blank though.
7 is 0.154.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Okay, now to submit.
All right, we missed number 6.
Lovely.
What?
That's the only one we missed was number 6.
What is not?
Okay, so we can redo it, or?
Yes, we can still.
Yeah, we can. What was question 19? No, wait. Question 17. Was to the left or to the right?
Left.
Okay.
Submit. Submit. What is 6 now? I don't understand.
So
number 6. Yeah, we have to go back and fix number 6.
Oh, did I miss something? I messed up. Dang it. 16 was just 202, right? Not negative 202.
Yeah, 202.
Not, but was it negative or not negative?
16. I'm scrolling down to it. Negative.
Yeah, so negative 202. Why did I get it wrong?
It gave you wrong?
For negative 202?
Negative 2.02.
Yeah, 2.02. Yeah. Let's see.
6 is what we need to fix.
Yeah, right. Because it says it's negative 2.02.
Yeah.
Why? I did I get it wrong then? What I do
Let
now?
me take a look here.
I don't understand.
Yeah, because 16. Oh, because you didn't put the extra zero. You have to put negative
Yeah,
0.20 because it has to go to 3 decimal places.
It is
So it's going to be
2.02.
negative 2.020.
Yeah, because I put negative 2.02. I mean, negative 2.020, and it gave it to me right.
Zero. So it'll be 4 space. That's 4 then, isn't it?
No, it's negative 2
It has
point.
like 3,
Oh, 2.02.
0, 2.
Yeah, 2.020.
2.02.
Negative
I looked at it. I don't know
2.0.
why. Oh, I think I guess when I put it in wrong.
Right.
Negative 2.02. Okay, there we go. Okay.
All right. So we need to go back and work on question number 6.
Weird.
Come on.
Okay, I think it's just p hat 1 minus p hat 2, which is 0.031. That's gonna be the answer.
0.031. Have you turned it in once already, Glenda?
No, but I think I'm positive that that's the answer.
All right. Well, then you try it and see what happens on that.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Well, that's what we
1
normally
sec.
do. Is we take turns turning it in until we get one right, and then we all turn it in the second time.
Yeah. Okay. Let me see, because I
I don't know if it's
duplicated
cheating or
stuff.
not, but that's the way we do it.
I'll do it.
Well, we're not cheating. We are sharing information, which is different. Okay, hold on. I'm submitting mine.
All right.
Jumps.
You said 0.301?
0.031, because p hat 1 minus p hat 2 gave me that number. So let me see. Woohoo! We got 100.
All right.
Wow.
We were overthinking again. See?
All right,
Oh
that's
my
just par for
gosh!
our
I'm
course.
so happy.
All right. So we need to talk about our study.